guys, good morning. I don't vlog Saturday and Sunday anywhere, excuse me.
But still, when I was a kid, that was a big deal problem.
The 2 doors or the 4 doors?
No, 2 doors. And then you go to the junkyards and trying to get hinges to replace the damn hinges on them because the doors won't close right. You gotta like lift up the door like this and to close it. Just because the weight of the door is so heavy, because it's a long door. The door is so heavy, it's that much more weight on the hinge, and they tend to get egg-shaped instead of a round hole. The hole starts to become like this, so the door doesn't go like this. Now it goes like this.
That's not a second hand. That's not.
Yeah, that's an ion.
Yeah, that's
that's not
brand
second
new.
hand. It's also not a convertible.
Huh?
It's also not a convertible.
No, it's not. I know. And we're heading to meet the contractor.
Right up here somewhere.
Oh, we're here. Oh, maybe this one. No, it's not. Huh?
Right.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, landscaping.
I don't know what. Hold on. Watch out.
Where the hell?
My husband, every time he pass something, he just go drive crazy. And
They got no signs.
It freaked me out. It freaked me out.
The truck in there is a different. This is 71, right? This building.
I don't know. There's no 6. This is 69.
No, 71 on that side.
No parking anytime, man. While I'm talking, guys, the camera is shut off, and my husband told me even the camera can't deal what I'm talking right now. The camera doesn't want to record what I'm saying.
Because it's just too ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. That's what my husband said.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Man makes you fart. Oh,
Yeah, fan makes me fart, give me stomach pain, and sometimes every morning when I get up, it just gives me headache too.
not, hon. The gas doesn't. Gas is not just air that's sitting under your skin. It's just that's ridiculous.
So we're heading to Trader Joe's. We're going to pick up the one that I like so much. We all like so much. Potato pancake, and maybe grab some. What is that? Frozen fish. You know, because
Mahi.
oh, the mahi mahi and the tuna. It's nice to hold the camera like this. I don't know. I have to order online a camera holder. Just like that. Huh? T-Mart. My stomach is hurting so bad.
Must be the air conditioning.
Yeah, since I start sitting in the car, and then the air conditioning is on, and that outlet over there, the vent. How do you call that, hun?
Vent.
The vent. It's facing down, and it's going to my stomach direct. So now it's just.
I'm telling you. Anybody watching this has got to be laughing. Sorry.
He's laughing at me. I love you, baby.
Love you too, hon. That was a shopping cart sitting in the space.
Trader Joe's.
Well, we go to tipping. I don't really know. 50 miles, free service. Well, we come from
Can you help me? What are you doing? What are you doing?
A couple different little things.
You can just get all the pasta. We have this in the house. I'm looking, guys, for the potato pancake. They don't have it.
Don't you love this store? I don't. I know. We spend more time here than we
They don't have mahi-mahi frozen fish. Oh, a lot of.
Can I get them with crab cake?
We don't like that.
No?
No.
Okay.
The potato pancake.
Replace the mahi-mahi?
Huh?
Really?
We get mahi-mahi before it's season. Now it's not season. Adding more. You know we have that in the house. That one.
You got one?
Yeah. Just put that back because we never really use. Yes, yeah, we have.
How many we never use them?
No, there's no potato pancake here. Strawberries. Oh, pineapple. Oh, my husband found it.
How many you want?
Get 3 of this. How much is this? Oh, it's $2. Okay. I have that in the house too. I like that for breakfast. Thank goodness I have it. I wanna try this. Han, can you get that? I can't. I wanna try that, guys. The pork chomai here. 2. Slide it. That's stupid.
Yes, it's a little too tight for this box. Well,
Just get out and we spend like $200 in there all. And what happened is when we were in the counter, what is that? The cashier. Yeah, the cashier. And this woman passed us and she said, "Oh, you look like Elvis." And yeah, if his hair is dark, he looks like Elvis. Like Elvis. He look like Elvis Presley. Yeah, guys. He is my Elvis Presley. He is my Elvis Presley, and he is my Fernando Po. That I observed something about me. If I get hungry, guys, I'm shaking or cranky. That's one of them. And cold feet, and you know and I don't have strength at all.
We'll be home for hours, and when we leave the house, 10 minutes after we leave, you're hungry, and I have that food, hon. I'm hungry, man. Stop, I need food.
My husband is just like that. Dialysis day. It's hot, guys. It's like Philippines. Now I have to put the air conditioning on in my side and put the vent up. Oh, convertible. Oh shit, that's why it's leather.
you want leather in a convertible. You don't want.
Yeah, but you don't know if every convertible is leather.
Although, it'll crack. But in the meantime, leather you can wipe down and clean the dust and dirt off it. Material, or it'd be disgusting. Huh?
I'm really hungry,
I'm put you in cyber jail.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking, guys? Oh, it's Monday. The neighbor is not there. I'm gonna get my dried fish and fry it outside in the house. That's what my lunch and rice. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna have. You know, look it up. Hi guys, my lunch is yummers. Dried fish, rice, spicy vinegar, 2 shumai left over, and the buzz watching. Hey, hey, hey.
Bugs. You having bugs?
The buzz, the show.
Yes, 9 p.m. Channel 57. It's on E. So
Hi guys, again, I'm in the car with my little baby boy. It's his appointment. He has an appointment at 4 o'clock. Oh, he started crying.
Little man.
Look at that.
That little hob man. Man.
My baby.
There, I don't get that. Stick that little.
No, he put his head back down because he.
Give me that little head. Give me that little head. Oh, hit your tail instead. I got your butt. Oh, your little butt. Come here, little man.
happy boy. I love you, baby. I love you, baby boy. I love you. He is very sweet. He always sleep with me in bed. He cuddle up with me and kiss me, and I clean him before we go to bed. And he cleaned me every morning too. He kept licking my ear. Every morning, like 5 o'clock till 7. We get a rabbit in our yard. Look at that. Hi, rabbit. Poor rabbit, he's hungry. Look at the ear. Oh my goodness. It looks like an alien. Hi guys, good night. Husband is sleeping in the couch, so we're gonna go to bed, and I'm just gonna tell him to go to bed. So I would see, before I end this vlog, I will say thank you guys for watching my vlog, and thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. Thank you guys for watching,